Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Amazon Photos app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps. Come to apps list here and then you're looking for Amazon Photos app. So you just click on it here. So or just click here on search. Then here at Amazon Photos app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on first stop. Click on OK. Then you go down. Just click on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.